Good morning, good evening, actually. Welcome back. We are starting it off with a altcoin video that I've been meaning to do for a while. Today is the day. As Bitcoin and ETH are going to the downside, it's a good opportunity to buy those altcoins that you really, really want for this next bull run to come. Here is one of my favorites. It's called it used to be called Cosmos. Now it's called Cosmos Hub, I believe. The ticker is ATOM, Atom. It's actually very, very near a good buy zone in the good buy area. I myself, personally, full disclosure, have already bought in. I bought in actually around I bought in around here like 1950-ish, $9.50. So it's a little bit under my entry, but I plan on accumulating this coin all the way down to $5. I don't think we're gonna get that level because this is at a very, very all-time low, near the all-time low. But this higher lows that I'm seeing here on a weekly time frame, I have a doubt that we might get to 5, but I'm ready for it. But around $8, worst case scenario, if I get a little bit of basing out over here for an inverse head and shoulder with a Quasimodo shoulder for upside. And what I mean by that is when you get this little inverse hand, head, and then an higher low, and I get that Quasimodo little inverse head and shoulder. And usually I make this a neckline and I look for a measured 1-to-1 move. So I already have all the fibs marked out. The blue and green line is always a target in my chart if you're looking for it. But I've just got a secondary confirmation. Hey, yes, I should be looking for this as my target, which is around $16.70 is what I'm looking for in the long term after this actually breaks out. And the confirmation of this path will come as we have a weekly open and close above $11.50. So since we had that rejection, I'm actually trying to accumulate it on that higher low right now between $9 and $7. And I'm staking this coin, which is giving you great staking rewards as well. And I'm playing with the other coins in the network because they are going to be giving Cosmos stakers, I think it's above anyone who's staking above $100, I believe, you're gonna get the airdrops, and that's what I will be trying to get as the market takes time to grind out. I will DCA into my position with my initial entry as well as the drip I'll be getting from the interest that comes out daily on your Kepler wallet. And if you guys want me to make a video on how to do all this stuff, just let me know and I'll make a video. Just leave it in the comment section below. Hey, can you leave a link for the Kepler wallet for me to, join in the Cosmos network, and I'll let you guys know. Aside from that, guys, I'm not really doing those instructional videos. I'm just doing trading right now. But if you guys have a demand for that, I will start making that content. And what we're looking for is at higher low situations. Back to the TA part. Looking for us to like basically make expanding wedge formation. I'm not looking for us to go too much lower. How much zigzag we do here, I'm looking for a tightening and tightening of price action in this little consolidational level. So I don't want us to go lower than basically 770. So like 750, under 750, I'll have a little bit more concern. So I can even put an alert over here. Or under 750 is a good time to look for a buying opportunity. You can also look at it like that. So I have a freaking alert. This is just for us to know, hey, we have to take action with the position. I'm not going to do anything of like DCA or anything like that right now until we get to these levels. Right now, I'm watching this play out for 1 week, which is about 4 more days. And I'm going to decide where I'm going to add on because I already have a nice chunk of Atom, but I'm trying to see if I'm gonna dabble in the other coins in their ecosystem or not. Aside from that, I mean, if you guys want to go on a daily time frame, why I'm looking for the reversal here is because you saw on the weekly the volume of selling is going down. On a daily, we just got a little bit of a doji. So today we can test into the doji. I'm sorry, because of the drawings and stuff, it looks like stretched out. There you go. I'll take those drawings off after we're done with the video. But since we got this doji, we can test into it. As long as the next candle doesn't close underneath this wick, we can look for continuation or sideways accumulation and come back above the $9.90 mark. We're looking for that upside break. So that's why I bought around the 200 EMA, which is around 950. And being a little bit under that for an opener two is okay. But continual open and closes here will show you that downside will come, and then this will turn into resistance into that 790. We could go bounce around here for a while and then come back up again and try later. So I'm not worried about a drop. I'm ready for the drop. I'm just saying that this is a great opportunity for a smallest allocation long entry if you guys are interested in this coin, because later if this doesn't come and we start reversing, then you're kind of just gonna be like less hesitant to get a larger position. If you get a little bit here and we get back over here, you can at least add on and not have this entry. You could have these two entries DCA'd into this red line, and then you can use this red line as an average, basically have like an area where to manage your risk between the EMA and the fib, because the EMAs will move as volume kicks in and impulses occur, but the fibs they sit there. So we know that when EMAs and fibs come into like confluence at levels where they touch, that's like an area that maybe there's something going on that you should be looking at, like maybe a volume profile, which are these tools over here. You turn on this volume profile, be like, hey, what's going on over here that we're having all this kind of confluence? Well, here you go. With this volume profile I just pulled, you can see that this is a value area high. This is like you paying too much for the price. Here's your value area low, right over, wait, where's the value area? There's your value area low. Sorry, because everything's white. It's confused, but here's your value area low on this value area low node. This is the best discount price. How ironic is that, matching up with our little $7, $8 area? And then the POC, the point of control, is right over here, which is where we're at right here. So this is like the fair price of between buyers and sellers where to buy on this daily poll that I just did. And that's right around like $9.20. So I paid like, 20, 30 cents more than I should have. But hey, do I give a shit? It's already making you a staking reward. Plus you're getting airdrop of like 10 other coins that you'd be surprised. These coins get their market value from these airdrops. It's a marketing scheme. So first come, first serve. Early adoption rewards come to the people who are there first. So you're the ones who are going to be selling it to the exchange when they list. You're going to sell it to the people who want to buy because they like the project. You're the supplier. So just keep all that in mind as to why I'm going through all the headaches of doing all these airdrops and little tasks for these NFTs and tokens and stuff. It's all because they all get rewarded later because you are helping them build these networks. So as Cosmos acquires more developers and adoption in this bull run, if you see the Cosmos network, send a coiner down, to move a little bit of money is like a fraction of a penny, or it could be like a couple pennies depending on network usage. Um, and you'll see that how fast it is. So compared to like Bitcoin and ETH, if you're just a Bitcoin and ETH person, when you interact with these other chains, you'll see that why there's so much like why do people care about these other chains is because this new chain is what's going to allow mass adoption to occur. If it was just like the same Bitcoin and ETH, as more people come, you're going to see the fees that we're paying on mining these coins way too high, and then that makes people not want to even interact with the networks, and that doesn't really help, if you don't spend those coins for the miners. So anyway, back to TA. That's what I was trying to get at. I just gave you a quick volume profile and all this other stuff to give you a reason why, I took my trade. And, taking your profit, you can take it around $9.70, but ideally around $12, and then hopefully even higher, around $16, which is our fib target. So you can have 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels set. So if this just does turn in from a bull flag, this little bull flag. A lot of people like to call it a bull flag, but this little parallel channel, as we break out of this parallel channel, bull flag, the move is basically straight up, right? That's how you see that quick move up. Well, the quick move up is going into that volume node, which is at that area high, to test if this area is gonna have more sellers or buyers. And the little bit of consolidation in this area is not a bad thing. It's the fact that it's showing you that no one is selling and even they're getting bullish. And then you get that short squeeze breakout, because of the fact that there was no one selling, everyone sees the buy up coming. So just keep aware that this formation, this expanding wedge, etc., 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 is on a daily time frame. It's going to take maybe like a week or two to play out, or sooner as this video drops. But this is the reason why I took the trade and why I have conviction behind that trade. No matter what event or news thing occurs, the chart is telling you that this is what's going on. EMAs are all crossing above 200 EMA as well. So that's telling you also that the buyers are real, that the trend is up. Even though you got these one or two candles underneath, this is basically the last test of the downside. And then once we come back above here in a quick fashion, you'll see like a quick move up basically, because it's going to be a short squeeze of all the people who sold and panic shorted on the bottom. They're the first ones who get liquidated on. And then the FOMO of the upside, everyone jumps in, and that's why you get these like crazy rocket up. Let me turn off my lines and everything. Now you can see why you get these quick moves up is because even the people who sold panic and rebuy and FOMO with, oh, we're going to the moon. So we're supposed to have that going to the moon mentality that everyone had over here, right over here where we're at. But right now, everyone's like, oh, we're gonna go to zero, we're gonna go to doom. Even I have my warning here at 750, but if we come here, that's a buying opportunity again. You're getting another discount. So just keep that in mind that if we come here, don't hate me because you bought it at $9. Just be ready to add more than 50% over here. Over here, you only should be adding 10% of your allocation so you don't hate me. And even if it goes up to the moon and this 10% allocation is all you have, don't be a greedy bastard. Just understand that this is how trading works. And next time you can increase your position size because you are now a better trader with more experience. You are a big boy with adult diapers, so you can manage your own risk and you don't need me to tell you what to do. And you will have your own take profits because you're pre-planning your trade and not just taking it because you're watching some jackass on YouTube promoting the coin that he's already bought. Okay? Full disclosure one more time. I've already bought this coin at 920, but since it's under the price that I entered at, I feel fully okay with telling you that I bought it. And you guys should do some more research into the Cosmos coin because I will be dropping videos on the other coins like Celestia, Jito. Right now I'm doing Soul Blaze. I'm in the Solana network as well as the Cosmos network. Full disclosure, I did buy Solana as well, and I'm already staking it. I bought some Pi. So a lot of stuff is going on in the altcoin because I know that Bitcoin's going to grind out a bottom for another week or two while GBTC starts finishes off whatever offloading they're going to be doing on a daily basis. That gives you an opportunity to not have to focus your eyes on the chart. You're supposed to get down and look into projects that you like, see what devs are doing work and developing, and how many commits they're doing on their GitHub. Look at their Twitter, look at their Discord, see if there's a community that's actually active. If somebody's saying, hey, something's not working on chain, is there a dev there or someone in the community that's helping them out? Stuff like that is what you want to see because how are you going to throw in an investment or a trade on an asset and then expect it to go up? And then if they get hacked or some dumb shit happens where the dev is selling and you're like, oh, why is my trade going down? This is the second step that's involved in trading if you're not trading Bitcoin or ETH. But this is also like the coins that I'm going to bring you guys, like Onando, ONDO. I gave you guys a couple videos ago. That thing went up like 50+% because of that Blackstone partnership that I told you guys about. And it's because Blackstone already tokenized over 500 million or 500 billion assets. I don't know. It's a large, I believe it was 500 million. Yes. They did 1 billion total, but they tokenized already 500 million assets on Onda, and ONDO is the ticker, is only like a 30 million market cap company. So if it even gets to 100 million cap, you're gonna already make 3 times the 20 cents, 30 cents the share is at right now. So $1 for that coin is very, very realistic, reasonable, and very, very quick to come if everything goes good for their company's management and if they handle the publicity properly. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys to say. I just wanted to make a quick altcoin video before I went to sleep. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you guys aren't following already, do it. Leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. If you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend, like MEXC. That's the exchange that I use for all the altcoins that I'll be looking at. And if you guys are interested in using the link below, it helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. Aside from that, thank you guys so much. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have an altcoin you want to see, leave it in the description below, and I will try to put it in the next video.